The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Hendry County in southern Florida, central Glades County in southern Florida, until 3 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brighton Seminole Reservation, or 8 miles northeast of Lakeport, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour hazard. 60 mph wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Locations impacted include Palmdale, Lakeport, and Brighton Seminole Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.